Good afternoon, friends. This is Ashwin Ramesh once again. Last time we discussed about the opportunities, career opportunities, job opportunities in cyber securities, information securities areas. So last time I have mentioned you certain roles which is presently available and which is presently running in the field of cyber security. So today I would like to mention you about the how can we apply and what all are the basic requirements and requisites for these mentioned roles. So one thing we must um, understand is like for every job opportunities we required a minimum of a very basic experience or knowledge is required. So here also for these cyber security roles we required relevant experiences like maybe 1 or 2 year experience in the relevant areas. Maybe um, you're having some penetration testing tools exposure. Then you might have some other areas of cyber securities and information securities experience. So how can we achieve this experience? Like if you are joining to any kind of IT company nowadays, each and every IT company is holding this cyber security wing. So at least try to involve with this cyber security team and at least try to grasp and try to make some experience exposure to the tools and various techniques, various technologies which are presently using in those cyber security wing and areas. So thereby you can update that in your biodata, and at least you can mention that, and with that experience you can highlight that in your biodata, and maybe 1 or 2 year of after 1 or 2 year of experience you can just switch on to any kind of cyber security job opportunities what I have mentioned in my first video. So at least try this, because in cyber security roles relevant experience kind of like they are not directly taking, maybe some lucky people will get like that, but they're always required relevant experience kind of these tools or any special um, I mean exposures that they are asking for. So just try to update it in your biodata, and always update your knowledge and knowledge in cyber areas if you would like to switch on to the cyber security career. So try like that and update your biodata and try switching to cyber security. It's a good field. Okay, all the best. Thank you.